Now you're going to take a mini quiz. This is a way for me to get an understanding of how you are doing and how you are understanding this. It is going to be a challenging poem. Originally, I had suggested 10 minutes because we have the time frame of the classroom. If you want to take longer to do a little bit better on this, you can. What I do ask is that you do not use the internet to find the answers, because I want you to show me what you can do, not what you can Google. I want you to practice this. It's not going to be worth a lot of points. It's just for me to get a gauge to know, are we ready for next steps? Because tomorrow the plan is you are going to annotate the poem you chose yesterday. And I want to make sure that you have the skills you need to be successful in that. So today you are on page 22. I suggest that you just set a timer for like 15 minutes, work on this, do the best you can, and then answer the questions on the quiz. You don't have to use a certain color of ink. That was if we were going to be grading it in class. But what I want you to do is read the stanza, figure out the rhyme, summarize in a sentence or less each stanza, answer the questions. And as you read, you're going to read for all the usual things, figurative language, things like imagery, personification, symbolism, metaphor. And I want you to just show me what you can do on a very, very famous poem. Use the questions at the bottom to help you get a better understanding of the poem, and also to start thinking through that theme statement, which you will need to put into your lovely quiz answers. So on your screen, you will see a checklist. This might be something to keep up as you work. Do your summaries, find your figurative language, label and explain it, try to figure out the theme, not only the topic, but what your theme statement would be. Where do you see that in the poem? How do you think the author's life was impacted by this? What about the rhyme scheme? And then look at the questions, which if you were doing the above, you probably have answered most of those to get an idea of what is going on. Do your best. Again, this is just a way for me to see how you are doing when you are working alone on analyzing poetry. When you get done analyzing the poetry, answer the questions on your quiz.